Now, County Assembly, you've heard. Do you have anything to say?
Yes, Honorable Chair and Senators, we strenuously oppose that request because what they are trying to do is to bring evidence by way of ambush. The rules of this House are very clear. They were given an opportunity to file those documents. Why it is an ambush, Chair? They are asking you to allow them to put in 4 affidavits, 5 videos, and 3 exhibits. Why it is an ambush is we will spend the whole of today before you, and tomorrow is their day. When shall we have the time to study that additional material, and if necessary, file our response to it? So our ground number 1 for objection, Chair, is that it is an ambush. Number 2, ordinarily, because there is a quasi-judicial procedure, a party seeking to introduce new material must persuade you that the material in question could not, with due diligence, have been filed within the time given. And time permitting, I will show you why all the material they now seek to bring after the horse is bolted was material within their possession. It was material which, with due diligence, they would have brought in within the timelines.
The committee is called upon to uphold Article 49 and 50 of the Constitution by granting the governor, who is equivalent to an accused person, the right to a fair hearing. That right to a fair hearing, Honorable Chair, entails the right to produce any materials that she feels are necessary for the tribunal's consideration to assist in her defense. I do not know why the County Assembly is afraid of these materials being introduced, because they will assist in the tribunal reaching a fair hearing. It is only fair that all materials are presented before you. Honorable Chair, I have had an occasion to look at the standing orders and the rules governing these proceedings. Rule 20 bars the County Assembly from introducing any new material or evidence that was not previously relied upon during the impeachment proceedings at the County Assembly. My learned friend, Mr. Giikaro, Dr. Giikaro rather, has not denied that the 4 witness statements, one by DMK, the mover of the motion, another one by Mwenda Idhili, another one by Lucy Mokaria, and Father Elias Kenoti, were not presented during the impeachment motion at the County Assembly.